Do you have a MaxxForce that you constantly smell fumes inside the cab? There's nothing no worse than that, and you have no engine light on. There is nothing on your dash. You have traced your exhaust system. You have inspected your exhaust system. You can't find any leaks in your exhaust system, but you're constantly smelling fumes inside your cab. What you need to do, regen your vehicle. Now, let's just say your vehicle will not regen. You try 2 or 3 times, and it just, once it tries to regen, it will just kick out. If that's the problem that you are having, pull off your DOC and your DPF. Now, once you pull them off, take them to a shop to have them cleaned. Hopefully, they can be cleaned. Let's just say that you have a DPF that cannot be cleaned. Now, that can be a nightmare because we all know how much a brand new DPF costs. If that's the case, this video is going to show you a part that you can actually get an aftermarket, replace the OEM, and save twice the money. That's what this video is all about, and that's what this channel is all about. You saving money. Let's go out here and see what we got. I received my filters back from the international dealer, and unfortunate that the international dealer told me that they were not able to clean my DPF. That's the last thing I want to hear. So, I have a 2007 model that I am working on. Either way, I want to fix the vehicle properly, but I do not want to spend a fortune on trying to do so. Here's a product, Skyline DPF filter. Guys, it's the same exact filter, meets the same qualifications as the OEM. This filter will save you a tremendous amount of money. The part number that I have given you is for a 07 4300. You can get this filter for any year model that you choose to do so. Now, you do not have to exchange a core, and it comes with gaskets. This filter meets the same qualifications as the OEM. You definitely want to go this route. As for me, I did not have an engine light on, but after installing the filter, I did decide to go ahead and regen the vehicle. What a huge difference. The vehicle regen without any issues. I hope that is helpful for anyone that needs to purchase a DPF for your MaxxForce. Now, this brings us to our second part of the video, which this video and this channel is all about saving you money. Now, many people have asked me over the years, Daryl, how do you do diagnostic to an older vehicle? It's quite simple. This is the software that you can actually use. And you can go online, just upload it. Now, you're going to need an adapter to actually use this software. You can choose whatever adapter that suits you or fits your budget. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. This will help you to also help your mechanic or give you a actual guideline or idea what may be wrong with your vehicle. Open your laptop and go to Service Mac J1708 diesel laptop. Just click on it, and this is what you will find. Of course, you'll find like a little advertisement. Just click away from that. You're going to click on Add to Cart. After that, you will notice in your cart section that you have one item. It looked like you actually purchased it, but you did not. Again, this is all free. You're going to go to Checkout. You're going to click on Checkout. Just add in your email, whichever email you prefer. That's pretty much it. And you will receive a confirmation number with your name thanking you. Next, what you'll do is click on Complete Order. That's all it takes. Now you have Service Mac J1708 on your desktop. Those are 2 money-saving tips in this video, and I hope it helps someone. If it just helps one person, it was worthwhile making for me. Listen, do not forget to subscribe. Take care. As always, God bless.